My name's Stuart Esposito from Raleigh, North Carolina. My company is called Absolutely Clean Pressure Washing. Really excited to be back at the PWNA. I missed last year, but I'm very happy to be back and seeing friends and meeting some new people. Had a wonderful convention so far. Walked into the showroom and I was quite impressed. It's bigger than it's been before. A lot of people doing business, meeting, trying to figure stuff out. As for the guests, there's some new people around that I got to meet and talk to them about different things that they could do in the off seasons or a different season. So it's been really good. Networking is awesome as usual. Learned a couple good tips. I was in on the roof wash the other day and learned some stuff. So it's going very well. I've been pressure washing for 12 years. 12 years ago was my first PWNA, and that's when I came to Orlando and met pretty much everybody that's here. So it's been very exciting and well worth the effort to come down and learn, network, and hang out with everybody.